Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a treatment that would help you remove pigmentation when you use it at night before you sleep. Okay, this is just gonna help your skin to even out, meaning that your skin is just gonna be one color, one complexion, and it's just gonna glow. It's gonna be beautiful, because when you have one color, when you have an even skin tone, your skin is just going to be sparkling. It's just going to be singing from afar, you know what I mean. So that's it. If you want to know what comprises of my pigmentation remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Please follow me on Instagram, guys. Now let's dive into this video. Alright, we're gonna be needing tomato. And tomato is great for the skin because it helps to tighten up the pores. It helps to treat sunburn, it reduces inflammations, and it also helps to cure acne. It increases the fairness of the skin because it contains a lightening property. It helps to maintain healthy skin, and it also helps to treat common problems such as wrinkles and fine lines. Alright, so it's going to be very, very important and helpful for our nighttime treatment. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be glycerin and rose water. Alright guys, so it is recommended that you have the glycerin that has rose water. Other than that, you can actually get glycerin and rose water together. Alright, this contains an anti-aging effect, okay, that helps to leave your skin looking younger. It improves the skin visibility, and it gives your skin a smoother skin. It helps to heal wounds, and it also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. And the next ingredient we're gonna be needing will be cucumber. Now cucumber contains a lot of water and a lactic acid that helps to balance the pH level of the skin. It helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to give you a younger and a fairer skin. Okay, so we're going to be needing that a whole lot. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be rice. Using rice on the skin will help to treat acne. It will leave your skin fairer, and it will also remove wrinkles, fine lines, and pigmentations, and it will also make your skin look smooth, glowing, and well polished. Okay, so in this one I'm gonna be using the rice powder instead of the raw rice. Okay, alright, so you can actually take some rice grain and blend it with a blender. Alright, so when it blends, you have your rice powder. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking in 1 tablespoon of the rice powder will be okay. Okay, but if you want to store it, you can make it more than that, but of course you shouldn't make too much so you don't have to waste your beautiful ingredients. Okay, to be creating this, okay, because I wouldn't be blending this. Okay, so I can just create it in a circular motion just like this, and it will still be very, very smooth and give me what I want. Alright, so you can actually do it this way, or you can just blend it, okay, to save time. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be turning this into the rice powder. Alright, for the cucumber, I'm just gonna be cutting a piece of that, okay, because I need the cucumber to be a little more blended. Cucumber is usually not like tomato where it can be blended like this, so I have to blend it so it can be a little more smooth. Okay, so I'm just gonna go blend this and I'll be right back. For my blended cucumber, I'm gonna be taking 2 tablespoons of that into the treatment. Then for the glycerin, alright, so I'm just gonna be dropping some of the glycerin into the treatment. Okay, the glycerin is actually very important for this treatment, so you have to drop a good amount of it inside of it. Now I'm going to be stirring this all up. Okay, so I'm going to be giving it a real stir so all of the ingredients can be mixed properly. Guys, so after that you can apply this onto your face at night, okay, to serve as a scrub at night. So you apply this generously onto your face. I'm actually just using my hands to do that because I've actually scrub my face already today. Okay, so I'm going to be using my hands to show you guys. So you just apply this treatment and you scrub it gently, very gently, in a circular motion. Okay, so you don't bruise your skin. You just have to remove the dead skin cells and the clogged pores. Okay, so your skin can breathe while you sleep. Okay, then when you wake up the next day, you are going to be loving your skin. Okay, so basically that's it. Alright, so when you're done scrubbing, you have to hold it on for a couple of minutes, then you go wash this off. Alright guys, so for this treatment you have to scrub your face with it 2 times in a week. Okay, so you have to do that 2 times in a week. You don't over scrub. And then you have to wash your face every night before going to bed. Alright, so invariably you have to apply this treatment with a clean face, scrub it off, and you apply the treatment, and then you apply a very mild soap to wash it off. So basically that's just how you're just going to maintain a healthy, glowing and polished skin, removing pigmentation and uneven skin tone. Okay, so basically guys, those are the remedy for pigmentation and uneven skin tone. Okay, so when you're consistent in applying this treatment and you are patient, and you have to also wash your face in the evening before you go to bed, I mean, your skin is just going to glow. This natural thing work, but you have to be consistent. You have to apply it and apply it again, and you are going to be seeing the effects. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share the video and turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Also follow me on Instagram guys, and now I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Mwah.